What's up, guys? So I got a really exciting mod for my E46 M3. I've waited a long time for this thing to show up. So inside here is my new steering wheel for the M3, and oh my god, it is so gorgeous. Here's my old one. It's not bad. The Alcantara was kind of like tearing off, so I kind of tore off the whole thing. But it needs some spice, and this is it. This is like so much better. It is. Oh my god, I just love this thing. It is a full carbon trim, perforated leather. I didn't go for the Alcantara just because that moisture would kind of ruin the finish. And the nice thing about it has these little grips on the sides, so it feels really natural, especially if you're holding down here. It also has a flat bottom, which I was looking for this for so long, and for some odd reason they just don't make these steering wheels with a flat bottom, unless you really want to spend like $1,000. But I got this for $600. It was a freaking steal. I had to buy it so I can just say goodbye to the old steering wheel and put this on. And honestly, this is the last piece to my M3 that's keeping it from like turning on, because the airbags popped off. I don't really want it popping right in front of my face like a ball sack running through my face. But oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So we're gonna move to my garage to get this gorgeous steering wheel installed. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so here we are. So what you want to do, see these like little metal pins here? So you want to like stick your screwdriver through like one of these holes right back here, and try to basically push in. Same with the other side here, and that should pop out your airbag. And then on the back there should be like two of these little plugs, which they go over here. You just want to like push down on it, lift up that little release tab, and that should come off. Then with these two buttons, these are basically your steering wheel control functions right here. These two, you just want to unplug them by lifting, or not lifting, but by pulling. Not too hard, but just enough so the tabs like break loose. Take out that 60mm bolt that's here and plop right off. And it's hard to tell, but in the middle, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little groove. You can see it from this angle, but it's like right in the middle of that little circle. Make sure that lines up with your the little hole that's in your steering column. Otherwise, your steering wheel will not go in. But it's just to be sure your steering wheel is straight and doesn't go in any other direction. But other than that, after you plug that in, get all these buttons back in here, and then push in your airbag, and there you go. So let's get into installing this bad boy. So as you put the steering wheel on, I just gotta line up the middle line of the steering wheel with the middle thing here in the center. There we go. Got it in. Then we just plug in our connectors. You put this bolt in. You can torque it to 45 foot-pounds of torque. Honestly, hand tight should be just fine. Get this in here, and it's a 16 mil. Gotta hold this damn steering wheel so it doesn't fucking move. Okay, that's as far as it goes. And then lastly, your airbag. That's why you want to disconnect it so you don't get a ball sack kind of slapped across your face. Push the airbag in here. Use both hands to apply both pressure, and woo! Oh my god, it looks so good. Holy shit. I still gotta put the whole interior back in together. Okay. Let's see how she looks. Oh my god, I love it! Love it! Oh my god, it's so good. It feels so good. You got the flap box. It's so good! Oh shit. Holy shit. I'll get you guys some glamour shots of this. It's so gorgeous. gosh, this just cannot get any better than this. I literally just had to put the interior stuff back in, like the AC, radio, all that stuff, the dash trim, which I might get carbon fiber just so it matches more with the carbon fiber steering wheel. Otherwise it just doesn't look right. I'm on the hunt for that next, and then I'm gonna get the A pillars, B pillars, and the C pillars in the back all restitched up and upholstered correctly. After that, the interior of the M3 is just flawless, and then next up is literally the body of it. But my gosh, it just looks so much better. So much better. These are just temporary seats for now. I am going to look for an OEM E46 M3 black seats or some aftermarket racing seats. We'll see where I go with this. But oh my gosh, guys, you can't complain about this. This has come such a long way than the ugly gray interior. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more content like these with the restoration of my E46 M3 and hopefully some more Tundra content. I'm kind of planning on not keeping it stock for any time soon. But that's the point. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, subscribe for more content like this. I'll catch you guys next time in the glorious restoration of my E46 M3.